Welcome to Taormina, a glamorous Sicilian gem where ancient Greek ruins and lively medieval streets frame jaw-dropping views of the turquoise Ionian Sea and the smoking peak of Mount Etna. Perched high on the island's eastern coast, this historic hilltop town perfectly blends dramatic nature with timeless Italian charm. Our journey begins at Piazza Duomo, a charming, historic square in Taormina anchored by its fortress-like 13th century medieval cathedral. At its center stands a beautiful Baroque fountain featuring a crowned centaur holding a globe, which serves as the historic symbol of the Sicilian town. Piazza Aprile is Taormina's elegant black and white checkered main square, famously serving as a panoramic terrace that offers breathtaking views of the Ionian Sea and Mount Etna. Lined with lively outdoor cafes, historic churches, and the iconic clock tower, this bustling piazza acts as the glamorous social heart of the town. Taormina served as the stunning backdrop for the second season of HBO's The White Lotus, catapulting the town's dramatic cliffside views and historic charm back into the global spotlight. The season's high society drama unfolded primarily at the luxurious San Domenico Palace, a real-life Four Seasons hotel converted from a 14th century convent. Mount Etna stands as a majestic, imposing backdrop, visible in its full glory across the blue waters from the viewpoint in Taormina. This breathtaking vista, frequently marked by the volcano's gentle plume of steam, offers one of Sicily's most iconic and memorable scenes. Thank you for watching.